My name is Kai Huang. I'm a professor of physics at DKU, and I joined DKU in 2019. I teach fundamental level of physics and advanced level of physics, including lab courses. Since 2020, I have been the chair of the Division of Natural and Applied Sciences, being responsible for the development of the division, including faculty hiring, development, and also we are building a lab infrastructure here at DKU. So currently, the Division of Natural and Applied Sciences in the past 4 years has gone through a rapid expansion process. Now we have about about 61 faculty members and more than 20 visiting faculty members from 15 plus different countries. So regarding the measures of division faculty members are supporting, it can be categorized into different directions. So I would like to highlight the interdisciplinarity of different measures. For example, we have applied math and computation, which have 2 tracks. One is more from the math, applied math area, one track. The other track is more from the computer science track. The same applies for behavior science. We try to bridge psychology, which is one of the track, to neuroscience. Basically, you start from understanding how our brain functions to how you make a decision. We also have a more traditional cell and molecular biology major with different tracks, including genetics, biogeochemistry, biophysics. Biophysics is a relatively new direction, which is in principle you use statistical mechanics tools in physics to understanding biological phenomena. There are also material science has actually 2 tracks. One is from physics perspective, how to characterize materials. The other is from chemistry perspective, how to synthesize materials. If you go to visit our website, you will find the faculty's profile clusters in different areas. You will see the major clusters of faculty expertise is from the sustainability, from health, or from applied science area. Of course, with the foundation built upon physical sciences, math, and computer science, data science, stats area. These are the core, and of course, we apply in different areas. We emphasize interdisciplinary research. As you can see in our major structure, all measures are of interdisciplinary nature. So we also encourage, that's why we encourage undergraduate students to explore areas that goes beyond individual discipline, and we provide infrastructure. For example, our lab, currently there are more than 6,000 square meters of lab space, and they are managed by lab managers, lab technicians, lab instructors who can provide hands-on training for our students. And this provides a solid foundation for the students to get something that beyond their current classroom setting. With this technique in mind, so they can really equipped for their future development. Our goal, our mission is for every single student to find their purpose for life. This is one of our animating principles. In order to achieve that, you need to think about a 4-year plan, starting from the freshman year when they start to do coursework, project, lab, embedded in courses, until the 2nd year, and they can do they can think about their major development. They may start to be student workers in the lab, in some of the research labs, do the summer research project. Yeah, I think from the division perspective, we are building a community, right? People like to contribute, like to work together with the others. From faculty perspective, also from staff, supporting staff perspective, and also students' perspective. We are trying to build some organic interactions between them, organizing events. For example, every week or every other week, we have a division seminar, inviting speakers from outside to have a conversation with students in order to make those professional talks more accessible to undergraduate students. We sometimes organize journal clubs, so book clubs or journal clubs, and we also encourage undergraduate students to build their own clubs, to learn from each other, or to train themselves how to coordinate an event. So there are many activities going on. If you go outside, you will see some demos that is just outside of the corridor. You can play around with those demos. So this is how we try to engage students. If you want more information, please go to our division website, dns.duke-kunshan.edu.cn, or we also have a WeChat official account. If you search to Kunshan University Division of Natural and Applied Sciences, you should be able to find it.